This is the KiwiBit battery cam, works with Alexa, has a magnetic mount, 2K resolution, weather resistant, Wi-Fi, microSD card storage, and the price is absolutely unbelievable. I think you're going to love it. Let's get into it. We'll see what's in the box first. So what do we have here? We have the camera itself with a mount on it. There's the hardware mounting screws. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have, this is actually the wall mount, I guess, for that to plug into. We have the instructions. Looks fairly comprehensive. And cardboard. Really minimal packaging, which always makes me happy because there's nothing worse than having to throw out a lot of plastic. Adaptive night vision, 100% wire-free, and AI power detection. That is going to come in really useful. Now, first thing first on this, you will notice that this rubber gasket here pops open, and you'll see room for the USB-C charging cable there and a microSD card right there. It does not ship with a microSD card, so I'm going to install one now. Just pops in there like that, and it's in. And to charge it, the USB-C cable just plugs in just like that. I really do like how this swivels and pivots. It makes it really useful, and you can put it into all different kinds of positions. You will need an app to use this properly. You can just scan it and it will take you right to it, just like that. Once you've added the app, you set it up with an email and password.
Connection succeeded.
Now, it does offer a premium service if you choose to go with it. That is up to you. Oh, there I am. And let's go mount it. And what I really like about this is that it's magnetic. It's just that easy, and it's completely adjustable. It's a nice strong magnet too. So I'm going to point this at my backyard. They say it works really well in the cold. Let's find out. Okay, so here's the current view of my backyard. Tap to speak. Look at that. I can actually say something into it. Hello. So now I can hear that voice outside. Let's take a look at it later to see what it catches. All right, there it is. Now it is motion activated, so it should be seeing me right now in 2K, which is really great resolution. And it should be detecting all my movements here. Let's take a look to see what it captured. So I ended up switching locations on it because it is magnetic, so it will stick to this. And even though it's upside down, the app does include a rotate feature. So everything it sees is right side up. You can't complain at that price, and the fact that it's motion detected, it takes an SD card, micro SD card, has a battery built into it. It's a no-brainer for your house. If you want to protect something, if you want to see what's happening, that's the way to go. So take a look at it. That's the KiwiBit camera.